Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about creating a team for hosting online classes, official meetings, webinars in Microsoft Teams video conferencing app. So to use Microsoft Teams, we need to access only two email IDs. One is official email ID, your office email ID, your academic email ID. It is a professional email ID, your company's email ID, or individuals Outlook email ID. We can't use other server email IDs, other hosts you can't use like Yahoo, Gmail you can't use. Now I have created my own email ID in Microsoft. Let me show you the home page. After creating an Outlook email ID, we have to check verification email and activate your account, sign in. This is the home page of Microsoft Teams. In activity box, you can create a team or you can join with a code for attending online classes, webinars, meetings. In two places, you can create a team. One is activity, the next is teams. Right here, I show you the teams. Teams, click create team. You get four options: class, professional learning, staff, or others. Let's see first class. Class 5, subject English. Primary education. Primary education. Whatever description you wish to give, you can provide. ICSC syllabus, like anything. Matriculation syllabus or ICSC syllabus, whatever you wish to give, you can add. Click next. It is creating the team right now. The team is loading. If you know the email IDs of individuals, you can start typing a name to choose a group, distribution list, a person at your school. To access this option, you need to know the names or email IDs of official email IDs. So we can't use this for students. For teachers, if you wish to add teachers into your classroom, you can allow them to post into the single classroom. Instead of class 5 English, we can ask class 5 only. So all the teachers can contact here. So let us come to the students part. We can skip here as we can invite students one by one to join using the code or link. Now I press skip, my class is created. So when you click the three buttons, you can edit your team. When you edit your team, you get a lot of emoticons. See here. Right. You can create any tool, use in a one picture. Choose the subject: art and design, foreign language, mathematics, social science. Okay, English is a foreign language. Okay, now drag down here, press update. Now the saving is changed. Here we get two options: upload class materials, find help and training. This is for freshers. If you click here, you get all the supporting documents for getting tasks. Now go to your team. How to use team? See here, you get the number of options: creating a staff team, creating a PLC team, creating a class team, like this. Weekly parent and guardian emails for teams. A lot of tutorials are provided. After reading them, click yes. Thanks for the tutorials. Yes. Now go to the teams. We have created class 5. In class 5, we have general button. In general button, we get all these options: posts, files, class, notebook. This is e-notebook. Set up a e-notebook. Set up one class notebook. So click next. Teacher can edit the content. Teacher can edit the content. Student can edit the content. So create the e-content. One is for read tests. Here we can divide the subject into different groups for each and every student. For English, notebook, handouts, class note, homework, quizzes are there, retest, assignments, different pages we create, different e-notes we create, home test, etc. Right? Now press create. Now your class notebook is ready. Is loading. The page is loading right now. Welcome to class notebook. What do we get? We get a lot of options. What shall we do? Create a new notebook. See, copy paste options are here. Go to the file. You get information. Okay, edit in OneNote app. If you use OneNote app, you can use and edit here, or else simply resume editing here. You can edit here also. Just copy and delete whatever you wish to. Welcome students. Okay, welcome to grade 5. Right, this way you can type your messages. You can change the logo and the content like this. Whatever you wish to add, you can post in your group. Right, you can start adding materials, everything, and start sharing with your students. Right, you can insert here, insert picture, insert file. You can insert any file printout, PDF documents or attachments. We can insert picture from file, camera, online pictures. We can simply open and draw. See, we can open a lot of tools. Eraser is here, mark select is here, pen. So you choose pen 1. Simply write 1 plus 2 equal to what? 30 plus 5 equal to what? 5 minus 2 equal to what? Okay, this way you can write, but since this is English subject, you can create, you can ask students, use the erase button. This way you can erase. Okay, now click again. Now come to the pencil button. Hello. This way you can write. Hello students. Now drag down. Hello students. Change the color. How do you do? This way you start with your greeting message, right? Or else you can add the class notebook distribution page. You can choose any distribution page, individual distribution or group distribution, class notebook distribution. Lot of options are there. Okay, open in browser options are provided. Now click here. Manage class notebook. What are all the pages we have created, sections we have created? Lock, here we have to lock collaboration space, otherwise students may increase the number of pages. Lock, right, copy and share with your students. How to share the class meetings to the students. So now come to get link to team. Get link to the team. How students can join here is, when you come to the class, you get three dots. Click the three dots. Go to get link to team. You get the link. Press copy. Now I open a Word document. I will show you. It is, see, this is the link. You have to share this link to the students, then only they can join to your group. This is the group code, then only they can join, right? We can post the group code in a WhatsApp, email, ordinary messages. Okay, in which mode you can approach your students, you can. Now I'm going to the post. Last notebook we had assignments we discussed. Okay, after creating the assignment, right, now we can use, we can dictate. Hi students, how do you do? Click here. We can just post. There is an audio option is some problem. I shall post another video later. To do important. Please put a tag. Okay, when you come here, you get a notebook list. In this notebook list, you get the message, welcome message, collaboration space. Using the collaboration space, you can type anything here. I can allow students to edit or other faculty to edit. Content library. Content library, you can share the notes. See here, you can share the e-content. Click here the arrow. Teacher only. Using the teacher only, we can share materials, right? The teacher only section group is placed to put materials that should be kept private from the rest of the students in the class. You can save it for your future purpose. And our notebook is ready now. Now we come to the post. When you come to post, you can host a class. You can post a class by starting a conversation. Hi students, welcome to online class session 1. You can post like this. Conversation can be posted like this, or you can attach files from these options. Upload from computer, OneDrive, Brave, Teams, and emoticons may be sent for appreciating the students for their best performance. GIF for excellent. If you wish to congratulate a student, you can send GIF. Now hosting Meet. See here, this is a sticker. When students do well, you can send stickers like anything you wish. The most popular I choose now. See here, we can appreciate them with a fruit. Okay, how to conduct online class? To see here, Meet Now button, send a Meet Now button. Continue without audio or video, I'm choosing now. Click the subject, period 1, English. So Meet Now, right? Here, we can connect your people. You can connect with the people. You can start sharing with your presentation and board, your desktop, everything is available. You can end the meeting by clicking the hang up button, right? Where can you get the team link? We saw here, get link, team link. You can start your recording by clicking start recording. You can show meeting notes. You can enter full screen. can end the meeting by clicking the call button. Thank you.